So today I anticipated filming a whole video kind of going through the S15, really checking it out, showing you guys like what's up with it, but neglected the fact of how unprepared I am for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going up to like Lafayette, New York, I think it is, to drift Pineview, which is a newer racetrack, I think, and I've been trying to drift it, and LC invited me up to go in his Toter with him and Grant, and I couldn't be more excited. So we're drifting the Cherry Hatch because everything else is kind of broken. And I think it's gonna be a blast. So we're headed up to Grant's house now to help him finish up his E36. Load up the Toter, head up to New York, have a slumber party in the Toter, and wake up and do some drifting. Jesus. Don't mind that noise.
Whoa. Is that my guy?
What's up, kid?
What's up?
You going with this?
I'm going.
We're gonna share a bunk bed tonight?
Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows?
Did you street drive your car?
What, you didn't think I was gonna street drive it?
I thought you trailer.
No, it's only like an hour away.
Hey, you don't have a valve stencil, do you?
I don't. You look so prepared. Alright, so it looks like Grant has a lost cause.
I'll be there. I'm just taking a little longer, all right?
What are you watching?
How to adjust my Ackerman on my SLR kit.
Well, good luck, buddy.
Thanks. I'll see you guys in the morning.
You better be there.
I will, 100%.
Okay. It's a little upsetting that we're all three not going together, but whatever. So, Adam and I have both never driven a truck nearly this size. It's gonna be interesting. Oh yeah. What can go wrong? Well, I didn't think the hatch would be the first thing to go in a Toter home, but here we are. Well, we're all loaded up. Now for the intimidating part. Driving this thing. I mean, Adam's like a pro FD driver. How hard could driving basically a tractor trailer be?
Hey, Jim Bob. Welcome.
You've been doing pretty good.
Listen, I can drive a lot of things. Race cars, other people's cars, minivans, semi-trucks.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, everybody. Morning, Michael.
Morning, Jimbo.
Where are we at?
Pineview Run? Is that what it's called?
I think so.
It's pretty out here.
We didn't get here till 4 a.m. Then we had like a nice 4-hour nap in the Toter together, and now we're unloading it and we're ready to drift. So I'm really excited. This track actually looks really freaking cool. Adam's car's broken.
I just pulled off my splitter since it always makes my bumper come off.
You're actually, I'm surprised you're taking that off.
Yeah.
That just means Adam knows he's gonna dirt drop today. He's gonna be that guy.
He's gonna be that guy.
You know, this wasn't supposed to be a drift car.
No? Gucci, brother!
But, you know,
Straight
when the
back.
moment calls. Alright, so Adam just took me out on track to get an idea of what it is, and man, this track is long as heck. It's like a mile. It's like a mile and a half. It's only like half of it's about driftable, but like it's a lot of drifting. It's a lot of uphill, downhill, tight corners. It's gonna be a blast, which is awesome. Like, it really seems like a track that will be fun when you're just kind of drifting by yourself. So let's get the GoPro on. We'll do our first lap, get an idea of the track, and we'll just go at it. I don't know really what to expect, but I do want to say one thing. A bunch of my friends chipped in and actually got me a helmet for my birthday, and I gotta show you guys, it is beautiful. Check it out. They put a full design on it. My buddy Sammy designed it. My friends are amazing. Like, look at this. This is beautiful. It's so cool. Just for all my friends that are watching who chipped in, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. This was really amazing. Now, let's go test it out and have some fun. the straights right here, so we'll use it just to cool down. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. The whole like stock angle stuff is a little frustrating sometimes, but I'm excited because I think it's just gonna make me a way better driver when I go and transition into my coupe again. So this is just, you know, practice. The car's getting hot. The car's getting real hot. It's so much freaking fun. Driving a technical track that has like ups and downs, like in a street car, is so much fun because it really makes you like work for it. I'm definitely using a little more e-brake than I'd like to. The e-brake just helps you not spin out like so much. It's so when I'm feeling a little insecure, I definitely use it a lot more. But I'll get used to it. so I've just been kind of going. I know it's just like straight GoPro footage, but I'm having a blast. The car feels great. It's definitely teaching me a lot, and I'm having a blast doing it. So it's just getting hot. I don't have a really good radiator fan setup because it was only supposed to be a street car, and I just used what I had. It definitely needs like a shroud and some better fans, but for now, I could drift the majority of the track before I have to like kind of chill. But I just switched to 17s. I was on 18s before, and it has way less tire pressure in them, so I don't know how it's gonna behave. 18 to 17 is always kind of a weird change, and it's a massive tire pressure drop, so we'll see. It's a street car. You should be able to drift it on anything, you know? But I got Josh out there now, the camera, so you guys can see the beginning from the outside and see how freaking cool it is. But I'm very proud of this car. She's doing great. All right, so hopefully the 17s doesn't really throw the feel up too much, but either way, we'll get through it. Now, we got a fresh set of tires, let's go have some fun. I hope that's coolant. We had a mishap on the track. I don't want to ruin anything, so if you guys want to know what happened, go watch Adam's video. But there's a lot of fluids on the track, and we just spent like the last hour cleaning it up. It was a mess, and I was running around trying to clean it up with them, and it's raining. And all I want is like one solid clip of the outside of the beginning. So hopefully I can get a solid run in before it starts raining, and hopefully the track's not too slippery. So let's go try it out. All right, initiate GoPro. I just blew a coupler. I felt it. As soon as I did that first corner, I heard a pop, and now the car's not making any boost. And it's raining. And these new tires feel so much better. I am so freaking upset. It's downpouring. Oh my god, we were so close. We were so close. Oh man, what a day. Give me a thumbs up. We're loaded up. You did good. You did good. I'm very proud of it.
Hey, long story. Complicated.
Well, the hatch didn't break, so good day.
Good day. Good. Just had to rub it in there.
Alright, we're loaded up. Of course, once we load it up and it's time to go, it's beautiful out. That's just how life works. But today was awesome. I feel like we were just like finally warming up before everything happened. But it was a great day. Cherry hatched amazing. Definitely a really fun course. And using like a street car, like a simple setup where, you know, stock knuckles, stock almost everything besides a welded 4.6 and SR20. And it was a blast. I had a blast. So really need to step up and got to get my coupe finished. We've had a lot of hiccups with that, but the ball is rolling. We have the parts finally after waiting forever on them. Get that car together and really start drifting a car that has some more sauce in it. But I've definitely learned a lot driving these more lower power cars lately, and it's been quite a blast. So Pineview in Lafayette, New York, I hope I'm saying that right. You were a blast. I definitely want to come back. I have a stick stuck in my foot. Let's get this thing home. Let's hope Adam doesn't get stuck in the grass, and we'll continue on. How is this legal?
Until 10 minutes, like 17.
Set the road, Jack.
I mean, for 10 minutes longer, I thought it makes more sense to you.
Well, if anything, the drive's gorgeous.
Yeah. This is making me really happy right now. Two things for me: either I have to be driving a Toter on my beautiful roads, or like a sick race car, but no in between.
So like Porsche or Toter, pick your choice.
Literally, no, that is the choice. Look at the panorama though. Like you get 160 pleasure.
Delicioso.
Many hours later.
Alright, well, we made it back alive. LZ did a great job manning this massive piece of machinery. And now, I just fixed my boost leak. And now I gotta drive like an hour home, edit this video, and then tomorrow, we get to finally dig through the S15. I'm super excited for it. So, but I hope you guys still liked today's video. And well, I gotta hit the road. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Mike,
Have an awesome night.